Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move on Monday. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of around $1.8640 as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, and chances can be high a further upside movement we can see if the dollar index move down. Okay, but from 2 days there is a continuous fall and a swing has formed, so we can see this particular pattern is supporting if you look at the longer view, but otherwise if it is at a strong support and which is already being crossed, so we can see a bounce back can come at this particular level. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend also, we have seen a swing has formed at a strong level of 1.5. The dollar index also, what you have seen, there is a continuous upside we have seen in the dollar index. Okay, after making this particular high there is a continuous fall. Now again it is trying to go up because you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, and chances can be high that if the dollar index sustain above a level of $104.2, a further upside we can see, and once started sustaining this level we will see this pattern will support. But if started moving below a level of $103.6, then a further fall we can see, and this particular pattern will support this particular zone, so chances of further fall we can see. Okay, now if you look at the natural gas price, what we can see, look at this particular trend. So now it is trading at a level of 103.8. So chances can be high as soon as the price started moving above $104, then we can touch a level of 104.5 and then a further upside movement we can see. But if started moving below a level of 103.6 because it is very close to it, so a further fall for the dollar index, but the natural gas price will rise. But if started going out of that level, there is a probability that it can go further upside because there is a clear pattern forming towards an upside. Okay, so chances can be high the natural gas price can fall. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of $1.8727, and if started going above that level, it will go towards a level of $1.9211. Okay, and once the price starts sustaining with this level, we will see it will cross a level of 109.47, which is the high of this zone. So chances of going further upside we can see, and from there a level of around $1.99481 will be there, and from there a probability of crossing a level of $2 we can see, then it will touch a level of 2.037. If the price keeps moving off that level, a further upside towards a level of $2.2437, and from there a probability of going towards 2.3703. Sustaining of that particular zone, a further upside we can see towards a level of $2.4707, and if that sustains, a further high we can see towards a level of $2.630. Okay, and if the price keeps sustaining of 2.6730, a further high towards 2.7, and from there it will probability high because this particular pattern will support, and chances are high it will go towards 2.7 to a level of 2.9, and then from there it will cross a level of $3. And as soon as the price started crossing $3, the probability of touching 3.3 we can see, and then to a level of 3.5. You understand, as I have already explained you, market is always uncertain, so you have to understand, always trying to setting your SL is important and trading your SL is important. These two things you have to do. If you are doing these two things, you can at least save your capital, and if you can take number of trades, and then probability of winning is higher. So suppose in sustain it can come down towards a level of $1.863, okay, $1.8473, and if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see towards 1.8. If the price started moving below that particular zone, a further fall we can see towards $1.717, which is already being tested. So chances of moving further towards 1.67 we can see, and from there we can see it will move below a level of 1.62, which is also being a weak support. So chances are high that we can see it will come in this zone, and from there a probability of touching 1.58 we can see, and if that level move further down, then we can see it will touch a level of around $1.526. Okay, and as soon as the price started falling below $1.562, then a further downfall we can see because this is the low of the zone, so we can see it's an all-time low, so chance of moving further down we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can